This is the Sharpgold 5 kg washing machine. You see, I've set it, it's washing. I'm using it to wash some of my clothes and that of my children. So it is very suitable for both family and individual washing. I just unboxed it. See, it's brand new. I just unboxed the machine. Look at it here. Brand new. Beautiful design, 5 kg, very portable. You can even carry it in your car while traveling. You can move it, it's very mobile, very portable and beautiful, and very easy to use. And the good thing about it is that it has a dryer. This is the spin dryer. So after washing your clothes, it enables you to spin dry it. We are going to be doing that later, so you see how it works. Look at it, very beautiful and very easy to operate. It also comes with its own manual. There is a manual with it. So the manual is going to help you. It's going to help you whenever you are confused. Everything is in the manual. You can go through the manual and see how to use it, how to operate it. You see, very beautiful. This is the wash timer. This is the off. This is the spin. When you want to spin dry the clothes, it's almost done washing. When it finishes washing, it will stop on its own. When you set it to the timer, you can leave it and go and do other things. Once it's done washing, it will stop on its own. So it's almost done washing. It's going to stop on its own. See how beautiful it is. See, very transparent. You can see your clothes. Can keep your clothes through the glass, through the plastic. You don't need to open and close all the time. See, it's done washing now. It stopped on its own. It's done washing. So we're going to let out our clothes, the water rather. We're going to let out the water. We will drop the water outlet. I'm going to drain our water now. I'm going to drain the water. So I'm going to hang back the pipe and then add more clean water to rinse off the extra soap on the clothes. So maybe 6 minutes. I'm going to set the timer this time around to 6 minutes so that the extra soap on the clothes can drain off. I'm drying my clothes. See, my clothes is clean now. There's no extra soap on my clothes again. What I have now is clean clothes. It's clean and it's fresh. To dry our clothes, so you need to make sure it hooks. So make sure it hooks. You need to make sure it hooks. You need to make sure it hooks. So when it is hooked, you will know because it will be strong. It will not go off. So we're going to be placing our clothes. We will not need to place all the clothes at the same time because the spin dryer is very small, very little. So we need to place it bit by bit. You cannot place all the clothes that we washed at the same time. So I'm going to be placing 3 of the clothes inside at a time. I just placed only 3 at a time. So this is the cover. You have to cover it. You have to cover it. You see, make sure it fits in place. See, it's strong, and then you cover. Then you set it to see. It was in wash before, so set it to spin. This is the spinning. You set it to spin, and make sure when you're spinning that your pipe is left, so that the water can go out. The water from the clothes can always go out, and then you set it to timer. You see, our cloth is spinning now. I want to set mine to 5 minutes, 6 minutes rather. So you see, spinning. Stop it now, and let out my clothes. And let out the clothes. See, the water has drained off. So the cloth is almost dry. It's smelling very fresh, and it's almost dry. Look, it's almost dry and fresh. See, it's almost dry. The cloth is almost dry and very fresh. So that is why you need to rinse it, rinse off the soap properly. See, the cloth is almost dry. Just a little air now can dry it.